Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
There is a story, one man has written a book how to tend cows. Cows tending. One old man called him, what book you are selling? How to tend the cows. So you better take this book to your mother, she will learn how to tend you. Cows tending, everyone knows, and he has written a book. So better, you are a rascal cow, give it to your mother, and she will tend you. Learn. It is like that. If everything is all right, somebody is taking business pleasure, then what is the use of writing book? Everything is all right. They may select whatever they like. Oh, why you are becoming a big preacher? Let them accept whatever they like.
But some people have a hard time getting what they like, therefore we like to help them. We feel it is our duty as human beings to help them.
So this duty is that you better go to your mother. Nonsense. It is not right.
If everything is all right, then my preaching that is also all right. Everything is all right. So then what is wrong with my preaching that?
Your preaching is all right, so provided you preach something good. But when everything is good, then where is your preaching will go?
Then that is
also something. That's why we are preaching. We are preaching. This is actually good, that he must know what he is and what is the ultimate goal of life. This is required. Material preaching has no value. That is stated in the teachings of God. This is good, this is bad, this is all mental content. Actually. But real good is he has forgotten God, revive his consciousness, that is real. Then he is saved from the so-called good and bad and everything. That is all. Materially everything is one man's food, another man's food. Therefore there is no distinction. This is good, this is bad. The stool is very bad smell for you, but it is food for the pig. This is food, one man's food, another poison. So, this is only mental conception. This is good, this is bad. Everything is good, everything is bad. Material. The real good for him that he has forgotten his spiritual identification, reviving to that consciousness. That is it. Somebody brings just now bucketfuls of water and he proposes he shall drench you. No, don't do that. But you will find you are going, the ducks, as soon as they immediately jump on the water. So whether the water is good or bad, it is all relative. So don't bother about this good and bad. It is simply mental conception.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama